Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an Easter centerpiece from the Dollar Tree. I like to show you some beautiful things that I got from the Dollar Tree for Easter. Some of these things are actually going to go on my table setting too, like these beautiful straws and the napkins here. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and then they have some cute little bunnies. Also here I got some pink Easter grass. These are actually eggs that are shaped like rabbits. How cute is this? I mean, this is just adorable. I got the little bling eggs. You know I like bling. Got about 3 packs of these. And like I said, sometimes you get things you're not sure what you're going to do with them, but because it costs $1, you can afford to get it and maybe use it next year or use it in the Easter basket. And then I have some eggs here also, and these are currently at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I have a vase here. Now this vase I already had at home. You can use any vase you like if it's clear. You can also, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some eggs in here, and I want to be able to see the eggs. But if it's a little darker, that's fine. You can also use the ones from the Dollar Tree. They're a little smaller. They're a little bit shorter and a little thinner. And what you would do, instead of putting the whole amount that I'm putting in there, you would probably just do half. But that's good too, because you can actually have multiple vases. So you could probably have like 4 or 5 vases or 2 vases. I like to also show you that I'm going to use this for my centerpiece. I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree. So cute. And then I also got these pink flowers here from the Dollar Tree. So we will be incorporating these into our centerpiece here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I took my vase, I washed it out and everything, because sometimes things get dusty. And then I'm going to incorporate some Easter grass in here, along with the eggs. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do the glitter eggs or if I just want to do these shiny eggs. Okay, so that's what we're going to start out with here. I also got this from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to use this on my table setting. I haven't decided yet what I quite want to do with it, but it was only $1 and it's so cute. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to add some Easter grass in here, kind of just fill it in. And then I'm going to add some Easter eggs. Okay, as you see, I added just a little bit of Easter grass at the bottom layer. And I decided to go with my smaller glitter eggs. And these are the larger ones. So either ones that you want to use is fine. And then also, if you have the smaller vases from the Dollar Tree, you might want to get the smaller egg. But you can be creative. You don't have to just do eggs. You can also do candy. Just anything. You can do all Easter grass, or you can just totally leave them out. Especially if you have a dark colored base. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of alternate. I'm going to put Easter grass. And then too, they have a lot of different colors of Easter grass too. So whatever your color scheme is great. Be creative with it. And just have fun. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place Easter eggs in it, and I'm just going to alternate it. So I'm going to place Easter eggs, and I'm going to put a little grass, and then I'm going to place some more Easter eggs in it. Okay, so like I said, I took the pink Easter grass and I alternated it. So I started out at the bottom, then I added some of the glitter eggs, then I added some more grass, then I added some eggs. Like I told you, you can do just all grass, or you can do all Easter eggs. I have enough to fill to the top, but I actually at this point want to start putting flowers in here. So I don't know if I'm going to have quite enough room. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my flowers. And the plan is, my vision is to add some of these blue flowers in the middle, and then let the pink flowers over here just kind of drape it going around. So that's the plan. Let me see how this works out. I might have to do a few. I bought quite a few flowers because I wasn't sure how much I was going to need. But like so far I have 3 flowers in here, and I might end up filling either some more grass up to the top, but I'm actually, like I said, I was going to drape the pink ones. So, and my plan is to go around the vase with the pink flowers, and they're actually holding up because you have the eggs and the grass in here. So after we drape the pink flowers, we'll see if you can see any of this, and if you can, just fill it up with some more Easter eggs. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my pink flowers in. Okay, so it did fit all of my flowers. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten up the flowers. So I was able to get everything in, and you see here that you can't even see the stems. And I did add a little bit more of the Easter grass there, so you wouldn't see more of the stems in. So it held everything okay. So now at this point, you just kind of want to arrange your flowers. Puff them up like you want, kind of just move them around. And it's very pretty here, but like I said, I did get some other things here. And what I'm thinking about doing is putting some of these things at the top, and also putting some eggs. And I think I want to use these. And I have these little bamboo sticks that you cook with, and I'm thinking about sticking them in there and putting Easter eggs at the top, just making it a little bit extra and a little bit more taller, because this is my centerpiece. But at this point, after you kind of fluff it up some, move it around so it looks nicer, you can actually just stop here. And like I said, for this, I mean, it was under, I would say, well, I bought a lot of flowers, so I would say I spent about $10 on flowers. But, you know, these packages here are only $1 a piece. So for this, if you do smaller vases, you can probably do like 4 or 5 vases for that price, including your vase, maybe a little more depending on what you do and what you want to do. Because to be honest with you, you don't even have to put flowers in it. You can just do the Easter eggs in your grass, and then you can also change the colors up if you want. So, okay, so stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's completely finished. So I kind of puffed out the flowers a little bit, and I added my 2 little honey eggs, and then I added this, and what I did, I just removed a couple of the bamboo sticks on the back of it, and I also stuck some bamboo sticks into the eggs, okay? So I drilled a hole, a smaller hole, and I just pushed the bamboo stick in. What I'll do at the end of the video, I'll just show you different ways and how it can look if you was to add, like maybe just some plain Easter eggs, or you can also stick the bunnies in there. But this is just to show you the different things that you can do, especially on a budget. I like doing things on a budget, and I feel like you can do it very creatively and still do it on a budget. So here is my Easter centerpiece. If it's more fun, I do have a video that I do more of an elegant centerpiece, but that was the last year's table setting. This year I wanted it to be a little bit more bright and a little bit of more of the traditional Easter colors. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Let me know of any other ideas that you like for me to do, any type of crafts that you like for me to do. And thank you so much again. Have a very, very blessed day. Bye-bye.